Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Auth0 for insurance portal authentication. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Auth0 website and logging into your account. Once logged in, click on the Applications tab in the left sidebar. Select Create Application to begin. Choose a name for your application that reflects its purpose, such as Insurance Portal. Select the application type as single-page application or regular web application, based on your needs. Click Create to proceed to the application settings. Now, go to the Settings tab of your new application. In the Allowed Callback URLs field, enter the URL where users will be redirected after authentication. This is typically the home page of your insurance portal. In the Allowed Logout URLs field, provide the URL where users will be redirected after logging out. Add the allowed web origins to ensure your application can make requests to Auth0. Make sure to set the token endpoint authentication method to post for optimal security. Save your settings before proceeding. Next, navigate to the API section in the left sidebar. Select Create API and give your API a name and an identifier. Choose a signing algorithm, usually RS-256, for enhanced security. Click Create to finalize your API setup. Return to your application and find the Add-ons tab. Enable the preferred authentication methods, such as social logins or database connections. For database connections, configure the user database settings, including password policies. Now, head to the Rules section on the left sidebar. Create a new rule for additional logic, like assigning roles based on user attributes if needed. Test your authentication flow by selecting the Try button on your application. This will guide you through the login process and ensure everything is set up correctly. After testing, implement the Auth0 client library into your insurance portal codebase. Follow the provided documentation for your chosen framework for proper integration. Place the login and logout buttons in your user interface for easy access. Integrate the authentication state into your application logic to protect sensitive routes. Finally, conduct thorough testing to ensure everything works as intended, including error handling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.